we just came to the ranch and we saw this. The wind pushed it to a tree. We'll be pushing down the trampoline. And come on!
Mira ahí. Está stuck en el log. Mira, el trampoline is destroyed. Well, my trampoline.
Bye, trampoline.
That was scary, right?
Yeah. We're going to a prank on my mom.
Hi guys, so we're recording right now and we're trying to be, well, we don't have to be that quiet, but he wants to do a prank. He wants to do a prank that he secretly hit, like he supposedly hit me with that stick because he was mad and he hit me with that stick, and that's gonna be the prank. I hope it goes good. It's gonna go either good or bad, right?
Yeah.
But I guess let's go. We have to set up the phone though, secretly. So my mom, she's over there. She's right there, and my brother is right there. You guys can see it. We like somewhere in between those cages. So what we're gonna do right now is hide the camera. So here we go. So
Oh God, look at how you're here. Right?
we're gonna put the camera right there.
Yeah.
But they're not gonna be able to see us. We gotta be somewhere close to them.
Oh yeah.
We gotta be like over there, like where the black truck is at, right there. Wait, guys, it's super windy right now. We showed y'all that the trampoline was like up on the tree. Yeah, it's a tornado watch right now, so we gotta just be careful. It's super windy, guys. Super windy. But okay, hey, leave the stick right there. Put it right there. Leave it there. So we're gonna put the camera somewhere right here. Guys, y'all can hear me. They're right there, so we're gonna put the camera like behind this truck right here. She literally just ignored me. She literally just over there. She didn't even say nothing, right? Yeah! She just said no, I thought we were playing around. She got mad at us. So I don't think that prank worked.
That was a failed prank.
Tell them what we're gonna do now.
Guys, she's gonna be hitting. She's gonna be like hating me because we're gonna break my mom. I could actually cry, but
So basically, we're gonna try to prank that I hit him, but because it didn't work when he supposedly hit me,
I could cry.
he can actually cry. So, and then he can be like, "Oh, I'm a top that you hit me," and then tell my mom like, but okay, we gotta hide the camera now.
Mom, you cry. I forgot that.
We can't hide in the same spot. We're gonna put it somewhere higher.
Here.
Yeah, like here. Like here, you can see everything. We just had to see how it doesn't. We just gotta hope it doesn't fall. You know what? I'll put it right here. Just put it right here.
Again?
Yeah. Is that good? Yeah, that's good. So we're gonna act like we're playing around.
Okay, guys, so you're the police? Yeah. Yeah. So I have to see what right? Yeah. So I'm the robber and I have to write the gold. So when I'm in my face, you can't put the
He started to laugh. He didn't even cry. Prank failed. Another prank failed. We cannot prank them. Look at mom. She's just looking at us.
But other guys, the reviews of it, hope I liked. The card, file. Stay tuned for more videos. Turn on notifications. Turn on notifications.
And prank failed.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye.